All right, guys. Guess what's in this box? All right. This is the SDG Chun Li 1/3 scale figure. This is the biggest figure that I have ever bought. And we are going to do a unboxing because I want to make sure I record all my unboxings. But this specifically because this figure was basically $1,000 if you count the $170 it costs to ship and the $30 customs fee I had to pay for it. So it says this side up. So let's see if I can get into this. Let's go ahead and open this side too. Comes in an absolutely gigantic box. This is probably, obviously, this is the biggest box. This is the biggest box for a single figure that I have ever had. So, I don't know if I will ever go any bigger than this. This is already ridiculous. So, I don't even know how I'm going to review this thing. I might not have time to review it anytime soon because I am going out of town this weekend to Houston. But I would have liked to review this for sure. So, from my understanding, she doesn't have her clothes, her outfit from the game. So she's supposed to have the original Chun Li outfit. So this is just her in her, I guess, underwear so far. So taking this out, and here we go. Battle Girl Hyper Real Game Collectible. Look at that. So move this box out the way. And it's got the bottom that I like. So I'll open it from this end. Hopefully I don't rip anything. There we go. My fingers up under it. There we go. And she's not very heavy, I'll tell you that. Yeah. And I think this is the international version, which means she should have the the naked parts actually sculpted on the figure. I'm going to scoot back a little bit so we can see this whole thing. So it's got the straps. This is very much like how my Carbonex, I think it's called Carbonex Voltron came in a very similar box as this, with the Velcro straps and everything. Very, very similar. I think I've had at least 2 figures that have come in Velcro straps like this. I can't remember what the other one is. Oh, can't forget that this is a certification of authenticity. This doesn't say what number I have, because I think they were only supposed to have made 300 of these. Full silicone movable collectible doll. Then we got instructions here on how she moves, on what you can do and what you can't do. all in. Oh no, they got it in English too. That's good. So they got them in English and in Japanese or Chinese. They actually don't have any that says. That is wild. I'm not gonna read these directions because these aren't the instructions that I thought they were. That that is crazy. I can't imagine anybody doing that with this. That is something out of control. All right, so here she is, and bam, that is a, oh holy cow, those are really soft. Apparently she comes in straight demon mode. Here's the face. She comes in straight demon mode. Eyes are rolled in the back of her head. This body does have some weight to it. Actually, what's crazy is that it's heavier in hand than it felt in the box, for sure. So I'm just gonna kind of give you a glimpse of how big she actually is. And she has her stockings on and stuff right now. But yeah, this thing is nuts. Look at this thing. She is absolutely double cheeked up. And this silicone is probably softer than any silicone that I have ever felt. But this is also the largest figure that I've ever had. So she already has a, I don't know if you guys can see this, but she has a run in her stocking already. You see that? She has a run in her stocking already. Just pulling her out yep, this is definitely the one with the real parts. Jesus Christ. This thing is wild. Anyway, that's it. That's it for the unboxing. I just wanted to make sure I had everything in here. She comes with her stand. I believe this is the screw for her head. So that's good. She has her stand, which I love. That I hate this label though. Like, come on. It says Chun Li on the website, but maybe they can't promote that for this kind of figure. Ouch. This is the thing to move her eyes. You like poke them and move them. It's really strange. I've never had anything like that before, and she comes with an actual real comb for her hair. So yeah, this is wild. So I don't have any of the Chun Li clothes. Chun Li. I always say Chun Li. It's Chun Li. I don't have her clothes yet. But yep, I can. Yeah, you can actually feel the nipples. You can feel them. So I don't need to actually show them. But anyway, that's it. Peace.